Introduction to Revolut Mass Payouts. Revolut Mass Payouts is a feature that allows businesses to send multiple payments simultaneously to different recipients in various currencies. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up and using Revolut Mass Payouts. Getting started. To use Revolut Mass Payouts, you need to have a Revolut business account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free on the Revolut website. Once you have a business account, you can access the Mass Payouts feature in the Revolut dashboard. Uploading recipient information. To send mass payouts, you need to upload the recipient information to Revolut. You can do this by uploading a CSV file that contains the recipient names, payment amounts, and currency. The CSV file should be formatted according to the Revolut specifications, which can be found on the Revolut website. Configuring payout settings. Once you have uploaded the recipient information, you can configure the payout settings. This includes setting the payment date, payment method, and currency. You can also set up automatic exchange rates and fees. Sending mass payouts. To send the mass payouts, you need to review and confirm the payout details. Once you have confirmed the details, Revolut will process the payouts and send the payments to the recipients. You can track the status of the payouts in the Revolut dashboard. Best practices. To ensure that your mass payouts are processed smoothly and efficiently, it is essential to follow best practices. This includes ensuring that the recipient information is accurate and up to date, verifying the payout details before confirming and monitoring the payout status. Conclusion. Revolut Mass Payouts is a convenient and efficient way to send multiple payments to different recipients. By following the steps outlined in this guide and practicing best practices, you can ensure that your mass payouts are processed smoothly and efficiently. With Revolut Mass Payouts, you can save time and reduce the administrative burden of sending multiple payments.